To compete. Competir. Competir. Competition is competición. I'm going to compete for the cup. Voy a competir para la copa. To play. Jugar. Jugar. I'm going to the park. I'm going to play. Me voy al parque. Voy a jugar. To learn. Aprender. Aprender. I'm going to learn me some Spanish. Voy a aprender español. Muy bien, chaval. To attach. Adjuntar. Adjuntar. I'm going to attach my scope to my rifle. Voy a adjuntar mi visor a mi rifle. To rescue. Rescatar. Rescatar. Somebody fell off the boat. He needs to be rescued. Alguien se cayó del barco. Tiene que ser rescatado. Rescatar. To camp. Acampar. Acampar. Not Campari, eh? I'm going to Norway. I'm going to camp. Me voy a Noruega. Voy a acampar. In the woods. En el bosque. To thank. Agradecer. Agradecer. I thank you for subscribing. Te agradezco por suscribirte. Agradecer. To kick, like a wild animal, not playing soccer. To kick, patear. Patear. The dog is kicking around. El perro está pateando por todos lados. To bruise, when you hit yourself quite hard. Magullar. Magullar. I fell off my bicycle. I bruised myself. Me he caído de mi bicicleta. Me he magullado. To supply. Suministrar. Suministrar. I am out of ammo. I need to be supplied. No me queda munición. Debo ser suministrado. No te preocupes, Pepe. Yo te voy a suministrar. Yeah, I've been playing Battlefield 5. Oopsie. To bounce. Rebotar. Rebotar. The ball is bouncing on the wall. What a poem. La pelota está rebotando con la pared. La pelota está rebotando con la pared. Rebotar. To present, that's a very easy one, just a cognate. Presentar. Presentar. I'm going to present you. Te voy a presentar. Hola, Emma Watson. Te presento a Manolo. To bathe. Bañarse. It's reflexive, as in mostly you're bathing yourself. If you want to bathe the dog, that would be bañar. But in general, bañarse. I am dirty. I'm going to bathe. Estoy sucio. Voy a bañarme. To collect. Recoger. You know, things on the ground, all things like that. I'm not talking about collecting money, collecting things that have fallen down or are on a table. To collect. Recoger. Everything fell off the table. I must collect. Todo se ha caído de la mesa. Lo tengo que recoger. Voy a recogerlo todo. Recoger. To groan. Gemir. Gemir. The sheep is crazy. It's going to groan. La oveja está loca. Va a gemir. All night long. Toda la noche. Gemir. To knock. Golpear. When it's, a little hard, yeah? To knock. Golpear. You should knock on a door. Deberías golpear la puerta. When they're not responding, the easy way is tocar la puerta, to touch the door. And if they're not hearing you, you're going to golpear la puerta, knock on the door. Bueno. To please. Complacer. Complacer. I'm going to please you with my show. Os voy a complacer con mi show. To spark. To shine. Brillar. Brillar. That is very shining. Eso está brillando mucho. So, to shine, to spark, brillar. Shiny, brillante. To glue things together. Pegar. Pegar. Careful there, it also means to hit. But to glue is pegar. I'm going to glue these two pieces of paper together. Voy a pegar estos dos papeles. To grease, like your bicycle. Engrasar. Engrasar. My bike is not going well. I need to grease it. Mi moto no va bien. La tengo que engrasar. Engrasar. To spell. Deletrear. Deletrear. What I just did, actually. Could you spell this for me? ¿Me puede deletrear esto, por favor? To unfasten. Desabrochar. I've never been to the UK, but to unfasten. Desabrochar. Please unfasten your seatbelts. Por favor, desabróchense los cinturones. Desabrochar. To claim. Reclamar. Reclamar. It also means to complain. Reclamar. I claim this fort. Or something. Yo reclamo este castillazo. Ole. To prevent. Prevenir. Prevenir. like to come before. It's better to prevent. Es mejor prevenir. To signal, to point. Señalar. Señalar. Could you please point me, signal me the right direction? ¿Me puede usted, por favor, señalar la dirección? Señalar. And the noun a sign is una señal.